Welcome back. Fractions, Lesson 2, Improper Fractions and Mixed Numbers. First, let's review. What is a fraction? A part or equal parts of a whole object or set of objects. What is the numerator? The top part of a fraction that shows how many pieces you have. What is the denominator? The bottom part of a fraction that shows how many pieces the whole is broken into.
Say hello to Pop and Fresh Dough. It's such a nice feeling to make something fresh.
Pop and Fresh Danish Rolls. Danish rolls just taste better when you bake them up fresh and hot. Try Pillsbury Danish.
Pop and Fresh Dough.
What happens when fractions don't look like fractions? Let's say you have 8 cinnamon rolls, and only 3 people are going to be eating them. Well, cinnamon rolls are way too good for us to have leftovers or remainders, and no one wants someone to have more than their fair share. If we divide each roll into 3 pieces, there will be 8 times 3 equals 24 pieces of cinnamon roll. Each person will get 8 out of 3 cinnamon roll pieces. Improper fractions. Fractions where the numerator, or the top number, is greater than the denominator, or the bottom number. Sandel's big old belly and little legs.
Hey, that's the last one.
Oh, do you want it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll split it. This is half.
That's not half.
That is so half.
That's like 70-30. 50-50.
Guys, I have more.
Just a second, Mom. I know, we'll measure.
It's the holidays. Do you have enough?
And then,
Introducing an incredible all-new 20-piece knife set offer.
We all have bread knives. You can go out and spend $75 for a knife that does nothing but bread. How many of you still do this, though? You take good old faithful and you start to make these little, try putting that into the toaster. Better yet, try getting it out.
this video not sponsored by Pillsbury or Ronco.
So what do? We don't really want to cut each cinnamon roll and risk squishing them. Let's count how many whole cinnamon rolls each person gets. 1, 2, 3 people will get 2 whole cinnamon rolls. Now, cut the remaining rolls in 3 pieces each. Count 1 piece for each until there's none left. Each person will get 2 whole cinnamon rolls and 2/3 cinnamon roll pieces. In math, here's how we do it. First, take your improper fraction, your 8 divided by 3. Rewrite it like a division sentence. 8 divided by 3. Now solve. 8 divided by 3 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6, which gives you a remainder of 2. As you can see, your 2 quotient is your whole number. Your 2 remainder is your numerator. And your 3 divisor is your new denominator. And now it's your turn. Convert these improper fractions to mixed numbers. Grab a piece of paper. 3 halves, 7 thirds, 16 fifteenths, and 100 fifths. Pause the video. Are you ready for the answers? If you're not, make sure you pause that video. Alright, here they are. 3 halves is equal to 1 and 1/2. 7 thirds is equal to 2 and 1/3. 16 fifteenths is equal to 1 and 1/15. And 100 fifths is equal to 20. You may realize that you had 5 for your denominator in 100 fifths. Well, if you divide 100 by 5, you have 20 with no remainders. And 0 over 5 would equal 0. So 20 is an acceptable answer. Mixed numbers. A whole number and a fraction that together represent one amount. You can see with our cinnamon buns, we had 1 cinnamon bun, 2 cinnamon buns, and 1 2/3 of a cinnamon bun. Sometimes we need to be in fractions when adding and subtracting, and even for higher up operations. We know that from our fraction strips, 3 over 3 equals 1. If we can add our numerators, tops only, we can see that we have 3 over 3 plus 3 over 3 plus 2 over 3, which equals 8 thirds. In math, here's how to convert your mixed number to an improper fraction. Take your mixed number and multiply your denominator by your whole number. 3 times 2 equals 6. Add your product to your whole number. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Keep your denominator the same. 3 times 2 plus 2 equals 8 over 3. Now it's your turn. Convert these mixed numbers to improper fractions. 2 and 3/8, 7 and 1/4, 1 and 14 fifteenths, and 21 and 4 fifths. Pause the video and take out your paper. Did you pause the video yet? If you're ready for your answers, keep going. If not, pause the video now. 2 and 3/8 equals 19/8. 7 and 1/4 equals 29/4. 1 and 14 fifteenths equals 29 fifteenths. And 21 and 4 fifths equals 109 fifths.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this content, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.